Let's chit our Simply Seed potatoes. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today we're going to be chitting. We got a big parcel from Simply Seed the other day, and yeah, we weren't expecting more potatoes, but we've got them and we will grow them because I absolutely love homegrown potatoes. Nothing better and nothing tastes better than homegrown potatoes, apart from sweet corn. That's my other favourite. So what varieties did we get from Simply Seed? We got the Sarpro variety, and we also got the Heidi red ones. So we've got a red one and we've got the standard variety as well. So yeah, we're going to get these chitted. Chitted means that you put them in egg cartons or in cells, stood up with the eyes facing up so that they can start sprouting. Now they need to be somewhere light, cool and frost free and not get damp as well. So we've not got anywhere at home, so we're going to store them in our mini greenhouses in our polytunnel, so an extra layer of protection. And yeah, we're going to get them sprouted. You don't want them somewhere dark because that grows leggy sprouts and that can make them worse off. So when you go to a garden centre and you see them absolutely covered in like loads of shoots, don't go for them ones. You're wanting just small little shoots off them. And the reason why people chit them is because then they're usually ready at probably about a month earlier than they would be if you did not chit them. So it doesn't matter, you don't have to chit them, you can just put them straight in the ground when it's time, or you can give them that little bit of head start. And we'll be planting these in our ground or in our buckets come Good Friday. We always plant on Good Friday. It's to do with the moon, it's an old gardener's tale, and it's one that I've stuck to. I know Good Friday moves every year, but it's to do with the moon, so that is what I've stuck to. We have these little things that we follow, and yeah, I've always stuck to it. So let's get some trays and let's get these in position for chitting. So as I've got no egg boxes, I'll be using seed trays. I save all these from when we get as plants in them. I never chuck anything away, so I've got absolutely loads of seed trays. So yeah, we're going to put these in the cells and faced up with the eyes facing to the top. So it's as easy as that, just putting them in just like that, stood up with the eyes facing the top, and obviously keep your label and your bag so that you know which variety they are as well, and put them somewhere light and cool. So that's them all put into trays. So we need to put them into our mini greenhouse now to keep them cool, dry and frost free, and hopefully they'll get sprouting. So there we are, we have put them in our mini greenhouse to get chitting and to keep cool and dry. So yeah, those will be planted out on Good Friday. So I hope you've enjoyed that video on us chitting our potatoes, and make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date for when we plant these out in the ground or in the buckets. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening.